Today we're gonna make soy chicken with green onion, spice, and garlic. First, some Chinese wine. Ooh, some dark soy sauce. It's starting to look really, really good. So yummy. Now I add some ginger. Look at that, it's starting to look really good. Some water and sugar, of course. Ooh, chicken. Let's add some chicken. Me like chicken! Look at that! Egg! So good! Look at that! Ooh, smell it! The aroma! Now let's boil egg noodles. Look at that! So good! Wow! Look at that! Yummy! Next, add egg on the soup. So good! Put noodle inside ice, make it crunchy. Me love noodle. Look at that! So good! I want to smell it. Chicken, my favorite. Next, drain the soup. Look at that! The soup! So yummy! So good! Ooh, look at that! So good! Next, mix the soup with the noodles and add sesame oil. More sesame oil, please. Make it fast. You're killing me. Ooh, looking pretty now. I can't wait. Add some green kale, my favorite. Next, cut some chicken and put it inside the bowl. So good. And let's add some egg. More sauce, please. And some chili sauce. Bon appetit.
You like it? Very good.
Repeat, time should be right. Yellow CART.